Hello everyone, my name is Igor, a binary options trader for 12 years. Today, I'll show you my trading session with Binolla. We're trading support and resistance levels with a 5-minute expiration and $30 bets. Let's start the analysis, check the charts, and then we can open some trades. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, I will open a trade for a decrease. The price is in the zone, so the trade was opened directly in the resistance zone. I am expecting the price to fall here. Dollar and Japanese yen, I will open a trade for an increase. We have a support zone. Previously it was a resistance zone. After the breakout, the price already bounced off this zone, only upwards. Right now I also expect the price to go higher. Euro and yen, I will open a trade for a decrease. We have a resistance zone. Previously it was a support zone. Basically we have small sideways channels here, one here, and I am opening the trade roughly at the junction of these sideways channels. Australian dollar and yen will also be opened for a decrease, resistance zone. The zone is quite wide. If the price goes higher, then consider additional trades. For now, I am limiting myself to one trade. Perhaps that will be enough. And let's see what else we have. Euro Canadian will be opened for a decrease as well, resistance zone. This zone is clearly visible. For the past few hours, the price has not been able to break through this zone. And of course, it's worth trying to open a position from it. And the Euro-British pound pair will also be open for a potential decrease. But here it's strictly at my own risk because we have one clear zone here and another distinct zone right here. Most likely it's just one single large resistance zone, but I will take the risk anyway and open a position from the lower boundary of this specific zone. If the price goes higher, then I might also have to open additional trades. 6 trades are open, and so far 5 of them are in profit, with only the Australian one in the red. Let's take a look. Yes, here the price has gone quite far into the negative. Let me duplicate the trade. If I'm lucky, it will close in profit without needing another trade. But here, literally within just 1 minute, the price surged upward quite dramatically, and as a result, this could now potentially bring some minor financial losses. I truly hope that doesn't happen. There is still enough time remaining. In fact, our price is currently down by 10 points, but basically in a minute and a half, it could still successfully recover and return to its previous level. We'll find out soon. I'll speed up the video for you and come back a bit later when the trades start closing. The first trade closed with a loss. I didn't manage to switch in time, but in any case, the price was rising. The second trade on this asset is also currently in the red with the Canadian dollar. It turns out I have a problem. The Euro-Canadian pair is also rising sharply. There's no news right now, so I don't know what's causing this. Maybe it was just a small price impulse. I'll open an additional trade on the Euro-Canadian pair and maybe on the Australian-Canadian as well. Let's see. In general, of course, it's better not to do this, but let me take the risk. I'll open one more additional trade. By the way, some of my trades were going into the red. Now that's bad, just a moment ago everything was in profit. The US dollar Japanese yen trade is closing in profit. So far one trade is in profit, one is in loss, but losses are about to come. Euro yen also shot up sharply, so I'll have to duplicate that one too. And yes, the first trade has already closed at a loss. At the moment there are 10 trades open. So what do we have? Australian dollar and yen. Things are bad here too, honestly. The price had been falling quite a lot, and now it's suddenly reversed 15 seconds until closing, and the price is very close to the entry point. Literally just a couple of points here. Well yeah, the price could go into the negative in the last seconds. It's all luck, still a profit. The price closed 1 point lower, but that's just luck, there's no other way to put it. The Euro-Canadian trade below will close at a loss, the price won't have time to drop. Yes, another trade in the red. The first 5 trades have closed, so far things aren't going as well as I'd hoped. 3 trades closed at a loss, 2 trades closed in profit. And if things keep going this way, trading will be unprofitable. Euro-British pound, 5 seconds left, the trade should close in profit. And the trade closes in profit. The second Australian-Canadian trade closes at a loss. The price still didn't drop. Well, it'll close at a loss in 10 seconds. I hope at least the third trade will close in profit. Alright, I'm speeding up the video for you. I'll be back in 2 minutes. "10 seconds until the Euro-Canadian trade closes. A lot actually depends on this trade, but it looks like it'll be a loss. Yes, this trade closed at a loss, unfortunately. And at most I'll be able to close 5 out of 10 trades in profit during this trading session. Euro yen should also close in profit for us in 10 seconds. But basically, yes, there is a difference in points here. The trade is closing, but still it's not enough. A small loss. I caught it, so why are the results like this today? If you're suddenly interested in how I find entry points on a clean chart, then there are links to educational materials in the description of this video. Go check them out, read, improve your trading skills, and of course subscribe to the channel, like, and leave comments, everyone. Good luck with your trading. Goodbye, everyone.